We are pleased to introduce AERONOVA. The company's goal is to create lighter-than-air vehicles that open new opportunities for industry, logistics, scientific research, and many other fields. AERONOVA began its operations in 2024. During this time, the company has progressed from initial prototypes to in-house production of envelopes and metal structures. The first aircraft, Nova 01 and Aeroloft 01, have been designed, assembled, and successfully flight tested. Nova 01 is a compact, soft-body unmanned airship, 17 meters long. Its volume is 130 cubic meters, and its payload capacity reaches 20 to 30 kilograms. Aeroloft 01 is the first hybrid experimental airship combining aerostatic buoyancy, the aerodynamic lift of its wing, and thrust from 4 independent engines. The aircraft measures 18 to 19 meters in length, and its envelope volume ranges from 188 to 190 cubic meters. In November 2025, the company officially presented its developments at the Dubai Air Show 2025 International Exhibition, one of the largest events in the global aviation industry. On April 1, 2026, AERONOVA received a permanent license from the Russian Ministry of Industry and Trade for activities in the field of aviation technology. The license confirms compliance with aviation industry requirements and enables the transition from individual engineering projects to systematic operations in the aviation sector. In the summer of 2026, the AERONOVA team plans to apply for an aviation technology developer certificate from Rosaviatia. To achieve this, the company is building an internal system of approximately 450 business processes related to design quality, aircraft safety, and quality control. Rosaviatia specialists will audit the implementation of these processes. Active work is underway on the organizational structure and implementation of all required procedures. The next step is the Nova 2 airship. Nova 2 significantly exceeds the first prototypes in size. It is 44 meters long and over 11 meters tall. The envelope volume is 2,000 cubic meters. It will carry a payload of 500 kilograms over a distance of up to 500 kilometers at a cruising speed of 100 to 120 kilometers per hour. As of now, Nova 2 is fully designed. The airship envelope is in the final stage of production. Aluminum parts for the under-gondola frame, nose and tail reinforcement are being manufactured. The tail assembly is more than half complete. The gondola will be ready this autumn. All necessary materials have been purchased and the team has begun machining adapter brackets for the electric motors. Control system assembly will start in the coming months. Alongside Nova 2, AERONOVA develops custom projects for clients. Soon, a 300 cubic meter tethered aerostat, an aerolift to raise tourists to height, and advertising and monitoring airships will enter production. The company's growth strategy includes phased expansion of cargo airship lines for modern logistics with capacities of 3, 30, and 60 tons. The long-term goal is a super heavy craft with up to 300-ton payload. Such machines handle unique national economy tasks, transporting rocket booster sections, nuclear reactor parts, heavy gas equipment, and drilling rigs.
Key company experts. CEO Vladimir Gnezdilov managed major Russian enterprises. CTO Fedor Konstantinov studied at Moscow State Technological University Stankin. He gained years of professional experience at leading space industry enterprises. Design Bureau head Boris Ivchenko graduated from Bauman Moscow State Technical University. As a PhD in engineering, he led airship development in international and Russian projects. Chief designer Vadim Zubkovich also graduated from Bauman Moscow State Technical University. He led projects at the Auga Aeronautical Center and at the Atlas Engineering and Design Bureau. Chief Research Officer Dmitry Kamel, a graduate of the Moscow Aviation Institute, worked as a lead specialist in spacecraft development. He holds patents in the field of aeronautics. Microturbine chief designer Andrei Kostyukov studied at Moscow Polytechnic University, where he chaired the transport gas turbine engines department. He devoted his career to microturbines, following his father, who built gas turbine engines in the Soviet Union.
Production head Ruslan Aslanov worked on helicopters, has vast experience, and helped build production lines from scratch. Overall, the team comprises over 45 experts with extensive experience in aviation, distinguished academics, PhDs, and professors. Today, AERONOVA is a cohesive team of specialists dedicated to creating and producing next-generation aerial vehicles, with a primary focus on market-oriented development.
Our mission is to integrate aeronautical technology into the modern economy, redefining transport. We shape the future of transport. We are building airships.